One of the most useful commands in Linux is the move command. It is the command you use when you want to move a file from one directory to the other. I'll quickly show you some examples. Let's create two directories using the create direct or make directory command. Let's call one Linux 1. Let us make another one and call it Linux 2. Now we've got two directories, Linux 1 and Linux 2. Now let us get into Linux 1. Currently it is empty. Now let us create a file inside of Linux 1. File1.txt. Now we've got a file inside of this directory. Let's get out of it and get into Linux 2, which is currently empty. We can create a file inside of this. Let's call it file 2. Now we've got a file inside of here as well. So now we've got one file inside of Linux 1 called file 1. We've got another file inside of Linux 2 called file 2. Now let us use the move command to move this very file from file 1 from Linux 2 to Linux 1. To do that, we use the move command. We are copying this file or moving this file from this folder to Linux 1. Now let us check Linux 2 again. Now as you can see, the file is gone. It is now empty because we moved it to Linux 1. So we can get back to Linux 1 and let us check again. Now as you can see, both files are in this file called Linux 1 or in this directory called Linux 1. So this is how easy it is to use the move command. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.